Me and Sam are out here with the YZ250F and the KX250F. Got a couple buddies over here, buddies over there, buddies over there. Honestly, the track is just really crowded. It's a beautiful, like 65-degree day here in December in Virginia. You can see all the mud that I've gotten off my bike. The beginning of the day, this track has been quite muddy, but I think it's actually shaping up to be pretty good out there. So let's go spin some laps, get right into the video. Trying to follow my buddy Ray for a little bit. He's on his KX250F. Try not to get roofed too bad. Yep, already getting destroyed. Some of the sections are so good, the dirt is so great, but that roof is just thick clumps. Oh my God, my man is the wrong side of the track. What the heck? Wrong way, bro. That could have been bad if someone was coming over the jump the other way. Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh man, he just ruined my goggles. Yeah. Oh, that was sketch. I thought he was gonna land on this dude's bike. I don't know what happened, if he like cased it and fell off. I just want to get up here to a point where I can tell people to chill out. Dude,
I didn't see the bike there.
Well, I was so worried that you were gonna see it and hesitate.
I jumped it, and then the dude on the KTM,
Was he standing on the landing?
he cut into the landing, and I just landed, and
But luckily didn't crash.
dude, I'm looking at it. I knew you were coming. I was like, oh my God, and then you're right there.
He's been over there hurting for, I don't know, I'd say at least 10 minutes, so hopefully he's okay, because he's been sitting over there for a while. I hope you're all right, buddy. Oh, he's on an Alta. That's awesome. Maybe the Alta cut off, I don't know. So just a quick update for you guys. I got the full story. It sounds like it's his first time here at the track. It was his second lap. He didn't know how big the jump was, and he followed one of his buddies off of it, and he just was going a little bit too slow. Cased it. His face hit the handlebars really hard. Sounds like he broke his jaw, messed up a ton of his teeth. He like can't talk right now, and he can feel his teeth rolling around. His jaw's like over to the side. Yeah, not good. Paramedics came here real quick. They're gonna get him out of here and get him all fixed up, hopefully. Hope you feel better, man. Hope you feel better. That was sketchy. I almost crashed into him. I thought he was going to go down. In the freaking woods. That was sketchy as shit. I'm just gonna have to be more particular about the lines that I choose. Looks like there's people down all over the place. track doesn't have many spots where you can ride a different line and get out of the roost. So I'm kind of just screwed all day. If I want to ride with my friends, I'm just going to get demolished by the roost non-stop. Oh, getting slick there, Ray. Careful. All right, see if I can cut it inside. I tried. I didn't go in with enough speed. I'm gonna go make him do all the jumps. Are you doing the big one? I'm gonna make him do all of them. Spin a couple laps here with Sammy Boy. Oh, I didn't know he was doing that. Wow, that actually surprised me. He needs to follow me. He needs to follow me off of that one. I gotta show him that he can do that. What? He's not doing this one either? What? You're not doing that? What the heck? You got that. And he's wearing some new boots? I don't know. Maybe some things are getting to his head, but he can do all these jumps. I gotta get him to follow me. He's going to take the outside every time. I'll let him. I'll try to smooth cruise to the inside. See him hit this jump. Oh, he's sliding. He is feeling sketchy, I can tell. Alright, I know he's hitting this one up front. Oh, he's hitting that corner good. Yeah, Sammy! I don't know if he's ever done that jump before today, so like, I feel like he's doing new jumps. He's just not doing the old jump that I know he can do. I gotta see if I can get in front of him, make him do this. I can't pass. I don't have enough room. You got it, he's got it. Third gear, you got it, buddy. Yeah! Thank you, I knew you could do that. Is he gonna do this one now too? See? Piece of cake, buddy. That's what I want to see.
I was scared.
Why? Why was it scary? You got it. It was perfect.
I felt like I was going slow, was I?
For that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you were going kind of slow. For this one right here.
Yeah, the double.
Yeah, you were going kind of slow.
Right, that's right.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, and otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.